Hi everybody, and welcome to this extra episode of Travel with the Dons, where we're going to take you in our cabin on our recent Ambassador cruise on Ambition, where we stayed in cabin 9012. It's on deck 9, forward on the starboard side. Come along. Hi everybody, welcome to our room tour. We are on Ambassador Ambition, staying in cabin 9012. It's forward on the starboard side, deck number 9. Here we find Anunu in his natural environment. Hello. Well, how are you finding it so far on board?
Very good.
Checking very quick. Like the cabin?
A bit small, but it's okay.
I thought a bit small as well. So we are located in Newcastle at the moment. We do have a nice little window. We have nice curtains. So we'll open these up so we can enjoy the view. There we are. So first of all to note is the cabin doesn't have a double bed. We did actually book a double bed online, but I'm sure I'll be able to move the beds together if I'm allowed. Will I be allowed? So we have our 2 beds which are located here. We have lights, we have light switch to switch off. That light's just located there. As you can see, the cabin is quite small. We have the TV on. Our muster drill is at 1:30. We have our beach towels located in there. The room's quite warm. It's really cold outside. We've had snow, but the AC is there. We're travelling quite light today. We just have this small suitcase and a rucksack. Let's have a look what we got. We've got a hairdryer with European socket. Then we have, very importantly, teas and coffees. Teas and coffees are always important. There we are. So there's the teas and coffees. We've also got some glasses down there and a bottle of water. If you want the bottle of water, it costs £1.85. We charge to your room. I bet you that's just tap water. It looks like tap water. So then we have one socket that's located here. Kettles, cups are nice and clean. I've tapped the tea. 3 sachets of sugar to last the whole cruise, and then Dairy Bakes coffees, a selection of stuff, some literature, with like a little bit of literature. There's me, hi. Then hidden this is where you'll find your plug socket. So we have a fast charge USB-C, we have USB-A, 2 UK sockets, a light switch and a European socket. So it's good we bought our stuff. How's the room tour going for you, Bubba?
Yeah, a bit cold still there as well.
When it comes to welcome literature, we've got all the information here. And we are in the Holyrood restaurant. First sitting, which is 5:45. 5:45! That's very early for dinner. On to the bathroom. You'll be pleased to see, unlike our last cruise on Azura and the cruise before that on Discovery, no clingy shower curtains, so that looks very good. We have Taylors of London toiletries. These are the same that Warner Leisure hotels use in their standard rooms. The toilet, we have the toilet flush. Don't get putting any foreign objects down that loo. It's not for them. We have some nice cup holders. Wow, that's actually really nice. It's a really nice glass. And we've got our normal towels here. If you want to have a shave, there's a shave socket just there. We have cupboards. We also have the laundry bags. Let's have a quick look at those laundry prices. There we are. But we ain't going to need no laundry on one night. Are we going to need laundry?
No, not for one night.
We've got our drawers. Oh wow, those seem old. Then we have the main closet. Our Ambassador do 45 night cruises. Would this be good enough for a 45 night cruise? I don't think so. The all important life jackets are just there. Our muster station is on prom deck 6, so that's where we'll be heading. But for now, that is our room tour complete. So welcome on board, we're ready, and let's get the cruise underway. And there you have it, folks. On reflection of our room, it was small, but it was sufficient for everything that we needed for our one-night cruise. We don't think we'd cope if we was doing one of the longer voyages, but would be happy in there for a few nights on some of the short European trips that Ambassador do. Make sure you're with us till next week, as we'll go have a night to the theatre, we'll have a look at breakfast, continue to enjoy the spa facilities and our all-important reflections on the cruise. Thanks for watching and supporting us, we'll see you in the next video.